Hello everybody, how are we all doing? Are we okay? I'm going to do a little bit of maths with you today, so I'd like you to get a whiteboard if you can and a pen. You might want to get two different colours. I've got black, which I've drawn my 10 frame with, and then I'm going to use a red to do something different. And we're going to do a little bit of subtraction or taking away. And the other thing that you do need is a dice. So you could make a dice if you don't have one, or just go and get a dice if you've got one from a board game. And what we're going to do, we're doing some subtraction, but always starting with the number 10. This many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Always starting with the number 10. And you can see I have drawn a bit of a wonky tens frame on my whiteboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares, okay? And with your other colour, once you've had your 10 frame drawn, or you draw it with a little bit of help, I want you to do in your other colour just a little spot in each square of your 10 frame. Okay, so I'll do that now as well. Okay, so we know that all of our tens frame is full like that, and they've all got a little dot in. Once we've got it full like that, we're going to roll the dice. What's the highest number that you can have on a dice? Do you know? It's this one here, 6. So we're going to roll the number and we're going to take that number away from 10. So what might be useful is if you write, because we're going to do a couple of number sentences as well. So it's always going to start with 10. 10, and this is the take away sign or subtract sign. 10 take away something. So I might just draw a line here for where my number's going to be. Okay, so I'll roll my dice. Once you've watched this video, you can just do it yourself, okay? Oh. Right, you see what I landed on? A 4, very good. So that means with your tens frame, you can write number 4 as well, but what I want you to really do first, so we're doing 10 take away 4, which means because I've landed on number 4, I need to rub 4 dots out. Now it doesn't matter which 4 you're about, because it's still going to come up to the same answer. But you can't do any more than 4 and you can't do any less than 4. So I'm going to go with these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you might be able to just see automatically without even counting how many are left. So we've done 10 take away 4 and we want to know how many we're left with. So how many do you think I have been left with? If you want to count them, that's fine, but a quick way of doing it would be to look at the top row and think, well, when the top row is full like that, that's 5. And one more here, what's one more than 5? It's 6. So that's a quick way of counting it. It means you don't have to spend as long. So 10 take away 4 equals 6, like that. Well done. Right, let's do it again. Rub that out. So it's always going to be 10 take away something. So that part of the number sentence is always done for you. I need to put my red spots back in, the ones that I've rubbed out. And I'm going to roll my dice again. Okay, you ready? Oh, easy. What number am I taking away? 1. Just 1. I'm going to take away this one here. That was easy. Now, instead of having to count them all again, have a think. I've only taken 1 away. What's 1 less than 10? When we look at the 100 square on our whiteboard, we always say, what's 1 more than? What's 1 less than? What's 1 less than 10? It's 9, isn't it? So you don't have to count them all. You just know it's 9. So we took 1 away, 10 take away 1 equals 9. I'm not doing very well writing my numbers upside down. Well done. Okay, let's do another one. Rub that out. Put my spots back in. So again, we're still starting at 10 because we've got our 10 frame that's full. Let's roll the dice again. Right. What number is that I've landed on? Can you see? It's 5. So that means I need to be rubbing 5 spots out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again, you shouldn't have to count because what did we say when one row is full? What would it be? If you've taken away 5 here, the same amount must be left because 5 and 5 is a double to make 10. So look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 take away 5 is 5. Super. Right, one last one and then I'm going to ask you to do this with a mummy or a daddy or brother, sister, and you get your own dice and see what you come up with. Okay, need to draw my spots back in. Right, let's hope we get a good number. Okay, 2, just 2. We've done very well to not roll the same number twice actually. So we're taking away 2 from 10. So that means I need to rub out 2. So I might do this one and I might do this one over here. Doesn't matter which one you do, it's still the same answer. So instead of 1 less than 10 this time, you can think what's 2 less than 10? When you jump backwards 2 times. If you need to count them, that's fine. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 take away 2 is 8. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. That was some super subtraction. I hope you have a go at it at home. Take some pictures and send it to me or Mrs. Atkinson and Mrs. White. See you soon. Bye.